Sierra Chart versus Tradovate, which trading platform wins? Choosing the right trading platform can completely change how you analyze markets and execute trades without unnecessary complexity. Sierra Chart offers advanced charting, while Tradovate focuses on cloud-based trading ease. Sierra Chart and Tradovate are two powerful trading platforms with distinct approaches. Sierra Chart is known for its deep customization and advanced analytics, while Tradovate provides a modern, cloud-based experience focused on simplicity and accessibility. The core difference lies in complexity versus convenience. Sierra Chart is a professional-grade trading platform designed for serious traders who demand precise control over charting and data analysis. It supports extensive technical indicators, customizable charting tools, and direct market access through multiple brokers. The platform works by integrating real-time market data with a highly configurable interface, allowing traders to tailor every aspect to their strategy. Strengths include robust backtesting capabilities, support for automated trading systems, and a wide range of order types. However, Sierra Chart's steep learning curve and less intuitive interface can be challenging for beginners. It requires installation and setup on a desktop, which some may find less flexible. Ideal users are experienced traders and professionals who prioritize detailed market analysis and customization over simplicity. Sierra Chart's power lies in its depth, making it a favorite among those who want granular control over their trading environment. Tradovate is a modern, cloud-based trading platform that emphasizes accessibility and ease of use. It offers futures trading with a streamlined interface accessible from any device with internet access. Tradovate works by hosting all trading functions in the cloud, eliminating the need for complex installations and providing seamless updates. Its strengths include commission-free trading options, integrated social trading features, and intuitive order entry tools designed for quick execution. Tradovate also supports mobile and web access, making it ideal for traders who need flexibility and mobility. However, Tradovate may lack some of the advanced charting and customization options found in more traditional platforms like Sierra Chart. It is best suited for active traders who value convenience and straightforward trading over deep technical analysis. Beginners and those looking for a modern, no-fuss platform will find Tradovate particularly appealing, especially with its competitive pricing and cloud infrastructure. Comparing Sierra Chart and Tradovate highlights a trade-off between depth and convenience. Sierra Chart excels in detailed market analysis, offering advanced charting tools and customization for traders who rely on technical precision. It suits desktop users focused on strategy development and automated trading. On the other hand, Tradovate's cloud-based platform provides easy access, low commissions, and a simplified user experience, ideal for traders who prioritize mobility and straightforward execution. While Sierra Chart demands more time to master, it rewards with powerful features. Tradovate offers faster onboarding and flexibility, but may not satisfy those needing complex analytics. Choosing between them depends on whether you need professional-grade tools or a modern, accessible trading environment. Choose Sierra Chart if you require comprehensive charting, advanced customization, and professional-grade trading tools for in-depth market analysis. Opt for Tradovate if you want a cloud-based platform with easy access, competitive pricing, and a user-friendly interface. It's perfect for traders seeking mobility and simplicity without sacrificing essential trading features. Both platforms serve distinct needs, so pick what fits your style best.